If you think about a glass that's half empty, we're that glass, we're that vessel, and some of the very essence of who we are has been sapped out in the face of racial stress and trauma. We have to constantly refill that glass. So pose the question to yourself, what am I doing to refill the vessel that is me? The body and the mind and the spirit and the soul that is me, that is depleted by racial stress and trauma. The first and most probably important resource that we have is each other. Stop and take stock of what are the quality of relationships in my life right now, and am I cultivating strong, healthy relationships that will feed me, that will fill the vessel? Am I taking out time to do self-care in terms of taking care of my body, my nutrition, my physical exercise, my medical visits? Am I building my resilience? And one of the things we have to realize is that when we talk about resilience, resilience is not how hardy you are. Resilience is not how quickly you bounce back from something. Resilience is a very multidimensional thing that requires multiple strategies to refill the vessel. So that resilience involves medical care, the physical care of the self, the relationship care. It also, though, says, am I taking care of myself psychologically? For example, do I have hope for the future? Do I have hope for my life?